Today, we are gathered here at Panjim for a workshop on waste management, the role of civil society in the municipal councils of Goa. This workshop is organized by the Directorate of Municipal Administration in collaboration with G Suda and Goa Can. And the entire effort today is to reach out to civil society on some of the excellent solutions there are on waste management, like separation of waste at source, home composting, and using this compost for growing organic vegetables and fruits in kitchen gardens. So today in the workshop we have participants from consumer forums, colleges, higher secondaries, senior citizens, we have housing society representatives, we have students from NSS, as well as a large number of municipal engineers and also the chief officers from various municipal councils of Goa. In fact, after seeing what has happened from Sansodo, we from Goa Can had also written to the Goa Biodiversity Board, Department of Environment, Pollution Control Board, that the time has come that people have to sit together to work for a joint solution. And as we have seen in Sansodo, if no action is taken quickly, we can have similar type of Sansodo problems in Vasco, Mapsa and elsewhere. And that is why this workshop is very crucial to already take action in the beginning of the year. And we are confident that once this exercise happens, we will be able to get the panchayats also involved by getting many of the citizens to take up these issues in the Gram Sabhas and start practicing the same methods in the village panchayats also.